all, my name is Dr. Shruti Shetty. I'm a practicing gynecologist and an obstetrician and a laparoscopic surgeon at MGM New Bombay Hospital, Vashi. Today we'll be talking about safe motherhood practices and how should we make your pregnancy more pleasurable and uneventful. So the first most foremost thing that you should do is that whenever the pregnancy has been confirmed, you should immediately come and visit your obstetrician around 8 weeks of pregnancy. 8 weeks is from your last menstrual period. You should be around 8 weeks when you should come and visit your obstetrician. What should you expect during your ANC visits? The first thing that you should expect is she's going to check your weight, your height, she's going to remove your BMI, she's going to take your vitals. Also, she's going to advise a USG scan, that is our sonography. In the sonography, she will check for the viability of the baby, as well as she will advise some routine tests. She'll also be doing the first trimester screening. Now, during your pregnancy, she might also suggest some supplements that you should be taking. One is your DHA and folic acid, which can be taken in form of gummies, capsules, and even in a powder form. But it should have DHA and folic acid in your first trimester. In your second trimester now, that she would suggest is that you should come every 4 weeks. From the first to the second, you should have a follow-up of every 4 weeks, depending if it's a normal pregnancy with no high risk. That will be decided by your obstetrician alongside your subsequent visits. She will decide. In your second trimester, she will be again doing the routine examination, the screening, and the most important test that she will be doing is an anomaly scan, which will be done on the 5th month of your pregnancy, in which we will see for the baby, we'll see if there is any anomaly. Also, she will be telling you certain practices, such as she'll be explaining what you can eat, what you cannot eat, and whether it is safe to continue your sexual activity and also exercise during pregnancy. Now, in the third trimester, that is, she will be telling you to follow up every 2 weeks with her. She will do another scan in your third trimester, in which she will see that is called as a growth scan. She will see if the baby has good growth. She'll see the liquor that we say, that is जो बच्चे का हम जो पानी बोलते हैं वो देखेंगे हम पहले तो. दूसरा हम देखेंगे the mother will give you a daily fetal kick count. So that is, she will tell you to count how many times a baby is moving in a day. This is an absolutely simple and a necessary test which all mothers should practice. So we can, so that whenever immediate intervention is required, we can do it. She can immediately come to the hospital. Now, when should you come to the hospital? So, anytime during your pregnancy, if you're having any abnormal discharge from the vagina, any blood coming from your vagina, you're having excessive pain, you feel your baby is not moving, then you should immediately come and meet your obstetrician.